this feels like.
Yeah.
Hey gorgeous, welcome to my channel. I'm on my way to do my facial at Placecol and I'm wearing all these jackets because I'm very sick and it's actually hot, so I look crazy. So I hope you guys like this video. So this is the gown that I'm going to be wearing and this is how it's set up. It's my spot right there and this is all the equipment, and this is what I'm wearing, you guys. I'm feeling very cold today. I have this flu and yeah, let me just undress. And this is what I'm wearing now. It's just a towel, so yeah, it's the other thingamabob and my clothes down there. So what are you doing now?
I'm cleansing the skin. So we cleanse the skin to make sure that all that, the pollution and everything that sits on it is off, but doing it in a gentle manner that actually helps the skin not to be stripped of its natural protection, so that whatever treatment we do will penetrate nicely on a clean skin.
Nice. Yeah, this is my favorite part, like the wiping thing is nice. So for those who don't know, how often should one come for facials?
Once a month or twice a month, depending on what the treatment plan is and what the condition of the skin is, what the concerns are. What you're working on is mainly what will determine how often the person is. There are certain treatments that a person can come once a month, or twice or once a week, depending on what you're doing, and also because every skin gets analyzed for what you're doing and what you need to achieve with the skin at the end of the day.
Oh, wow.
So it's tailor-made for every person.
That's good. That's good. At least there isn't any set like boundaries.
You can't treat every person the same.
That's true.
Every person is different. So on the steamer, okay?
Yeah.
Are you comfortable then? You can breathe nicely?
I feel like it's gonna help my sinuses.
Yes, it does open your sinuses. I've got an enzymatic exfoliator, which helps to chow the dead skin cells. So there's that part where we cleanse, we remove the pollution and the dead, but there's some of this dead skin cells that we cannot remove just by cleansing. We need the exfoliator to dislodge or to actually remove the dead skin cells in order to encourage the skin to rejuvenate, as well as to be more sample moistured and increase penetration of the other products that we actually put on. Because when you put your exfoliator on dead skin cells, you lose half and a quarter of your product. So you don't get really much benefits from the product you use if you don't exfoliate.
And how often should one steam their face?
Like I said, it differs from one person to another on what you're working on. It's nice. It's also very relaxing.
It's better than what I have at home.
Yeah. So our steamer is a bit more stronger than what you can find to use at home and all that. But safer at the same time because it's a little bit professional as well.
Like finding knots or spotting?
No, this is just for your relaxation. As we steam, it's just pressure points I'm doing.
It is relaxing.
So now I'm going to do the laser. I'm going to switch off this steamer we have finished the steamer.
Oh, wow, that was great. It was so like refreshing.
Okay, so this is the laser. It is called a soft laser. What it does, it energizes the cells of your skin. So it increases your metabolism of the skin. That helps with rejuvenating the skin. It helps with the texture, the color, the tone of your skin. It helps, you know, with the skin to absorb products better. And it's active on your skin for 28 days. That is why we recommend a facial at least once a month. You can do it more than once a month. It just means you'll get better results. Okay. So what is nice with this is that there's no pain, no side effects. Very safe. You can even use it on a baby's bum. That's how safe it is. The light of the laser does the job. That's what is nice about it. So we will all age, but we can age gracefully. This is why we take time to look after our skin. The neck is also very important because it's part of your face, and this area ages much more faster than the rest of the face, so we need to also give it attention and look after it. So when you look after your face, the neck must be part of that, taking care of the face.
I feel like sometimes, like, even though you told me the last time,
Yeah.
I kept forgetting.
Okay?
I kept forgetting, but then I would maybe remember some other time.
Yeah.
Because I wash my face twice a day, so maybe if I forget in the morning,
Yeah.
and I make sure that I make up in the evening.
Yeah. The makeup has to be off because your skin absorbs better when you're sleeping. The body during the day concentrate on the major organs, especially as we get older and deal with stress and all the things of the world. So we need to give that care more at night for the skin because it absorbs better your products and all that. So you need to really make sure you have washed the skin nicely, use your serums or your therapies and your night cream.
Okay, so when I wash my face at night, I should cleanse it and
Tone.
tone.
And then use your serums for treatment or therapy, and then use your sunscreen. Then, I mean, not your sunscreen, your night cream. You don't need to use a sunscreen at night because you're not really sun exposed.
Okay, so it's like the same. Okay, similar.
It's similar to the day. The only thing is that at night you use your night cream instead of a day cream. Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's so nice. Wait, that's.
The facial we're having today doesn't have the high frequency.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
It's a different one. We did the energizing soft laser treatment last time. That's why we have the high frequency on it. So the high frequency, you get it on that one and the deep cleanse, yes.
You know what this feels like?
Yeah.
You know jelly babies?
As a
Yeah, and then you just like putting them on your skin. The way they smell rubbery, that's what it feels like.
Oh, okay. I've never put them on my face.
You should try it. Okay, yeah, you never put them on your face, but like on your skin, that's what
Yeah.
it feels like.
Okay.
Jelly babies.
Okay. That's interesting.
Okay, now I'm wondering what was I doing putting jelly babies in my face?
Dent that in so that the skin can just chow that in.
Very refreshing. Smells nice. I like things that smell nice.
As a
Yes. I
yeah.
like having things on your face.
I guess a
that
lot of
smell
women like
nice.
things that smell nice. I'm just mixing my mask, the cocoa mask. You can see it's got a nice chocolate smell. It's very reconditioning to the skin and hydrating. It actually leaves the skin supple and very soft. So very, like for now in the winter, it's very nice to have on. It's quite luxurious feel on the face.
Is it eatable? Because I like eating things.
No, it doesn't taste as much as how it actually smells very nice. It smells like chocolate.
It does.
Yeah, but it doesn't taste the same way.
I'm not even gonna try it.
I had somebody who tried it and they're like, "Ooh." I'm like,
not
what
even
are you
gonna
doing? If it was chocolate like that,
Oh,
you
it
think,
smells like chocolate, guys. Like mint. It smells like mint.
yeah. If it was chocolate, we'll always say it's out of stock. You know, women, we eat chocolates.
And no, but you'll see it like people who have come home, you know? The reaction.
Women take risks for chocolates, even when you see it's like not so great for us, but
Ooh, I look nice. It smells divine. And then how long is this mask going to be sitting?
a few
for?
minutes.
A few minutes. Is it the peel out one or do you wash it out?
You'll see it becomes rubbery, so I'll just peel it out
Nice.
very nicely. Otherwise, it will be such a mess if you let you really.
You'll wash it. It's very thick.
You can see we just peel it off like that.
It does. It dries out quickly.
Yeah, it
It
does.
doesn't take time.
By the time I finish the massage, it is done.
It's ready.
Yeah.
I have a bit of chocolate. I have a bit of chocolate left.
Fine, it will all be taken out.
Nice.
Good.
It's very relaxing to massage.
Yeah. I think it's one of the most beautiful things about the facial, the massage. I love the massage more than anything, I think. And of course the skin looks good, but the massage is sorry. Those hot stones just does it.
Amazing. I like these little cotton pads.
Very nice. It's good to use a toner after you wash your skin to balance the pH balance, to bring in the pH balance of the skin so that what you put on can absorb very easily. You can try it at home. Put a toner on one hand, don't put one on the other one, and put a moisturizer on the hand that has got the toner. You will see the one with the toner will go in much more faster. So it is very important to do that.
You said this before, but
Yeah, I always say it so that my clients know
it's coming back.
Like I educate all the time, like the person must know this is supposed to be done every time. So yeah.
Do you guys sell those little like a mini pack of all the basic
We sell them.
facial stuff?
Yeah, we do.
Like mini pack, like the mini version of the originals.
We don't have samples with Placecol. It's our normal retail sizes.
I think I need to try them.
Yes,
Because you say the benefit of your product is that it goes into the DNA.
Yes. Go to the DNA of the skin. And because prevention is better than cure, and also that you get the revitalizing eye cream.
Oh, thank you.
So prevention is better than cure. I always say it's good to do things before they are formed or they become a problem. This is our day cream.
This day cream smells like everything. It smells nice. It smells like the cleanser. Yes, I think
Is it?
it's got a great smell.
Yeah. Most of our products have got very nice, fresh, not overpowering kind of smell.
I feel like my pores are open. Like I can.
It feels airy,
Yeah,
hey?
yeah, very airy.
Feels clean,
You
yeah.
know, I feel a difference. Guys, can you see the glow? Like. So I just finished my facial and yeah, it's been so amazing.